topic. Let us go ahead and start with revealed preference. Now, I can go ahead and I can divide this chapter of revealed preference in three main parts. There are three things that you should be focusing on as part of this chapter. First of all, the first thing that we want to understand, that is called as war. So that's the first thing that we will be focusing on. The second thing that you should be focusing on, that is called as SAR. And the third thing that you should be focusing on, that is called as index number. Right? So these are the three things that you should be focusing on. The best book for reference for this chapter should be Varian. So somehow I find, DU may be Varian ही follow होती है. So somehow I find Varian to be a good book for this chapter above Snyder. This is the only time that I will ask you to read Varian instead of Snyder. Varna Snyder is the best book. Just for this chapter, Varian would be a good way to understand the concept. Otherwise, intermediate videos are enough. Now let us go ahead and understand what is the meaning of revealed preferences. So understand this. In case of revealed preferences, you will be given some information about the customer, about your consumer. And based on how your consumer acts, you need to find out what will be the preference of your consumer. Okay. So supposedly something like this will happen. Like you will be given that there is a price bundle P, and at this price bundle, consumer prefers A, or consumer prefers B, or consumer prefers C. So between different bundles, you will be told which bundle the consumer prefers. ये हो गया आपका price P पे. Then what will happen is they will give you what is the action of the consumer at another price bundle. So again, whether he prefers A or B or C. So for each price bundle, you will be told how consumer acts. Now, what do you have to do? You have to ask an important question. Is the behavior of consumer consistent? In other words, you have to ask the question, is the consumer acting rationally? तो क्वेश्चन ये आता है कि अगर मैं बता दूं कि अलग इस प्राइस पे ये प्रेफर कर रहा है, दूसरे प्राइस पे कुछ और प्रेफर कर रहा है, क्या कंज्यूमर रैशनली एक्ट कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है? इज द कंज्यूमर एक्टिंग रैशनली और नॉट? That is what you have to go ahead and answer. So what can we say? What is revealed preference, beta? Revealed preference basically tells you the preferences that the consumer has from different price bundles. तो एक consumer की अलग-अलग prices पे क्या-क्या preferences रहेंगी, उसको पढ़ना ही concept of revealed preference है. That is what is revealed preference. Now, let us talk about the first revealed preference law, and that is known as VARP, weak axiom of revealed preference. Right? Suppose, please try and understand clearly. Suppose I tell you that there is a price bundle P. And at this price bundle, there are two affordable bundles. Beta, affordable bundle matlab, they can be consumed within your income level. So I am saying that you have a price P And at this price P, you have two affordable bundles. Those affordable bundles are A and B. Example ले लो. Just if I say that my income is 20, right? And suppose A costs 20. A पे अगर खर्चा करते हैं सारा तो 20 rupees खर्च होते हैं. And B costs 19. That means both of them are affordable bundles. So I'm saying that there is a price bundle P, and at this price bundle P, both are affordable, but person chooses A over B. Person is choosing bundle A over bundle B. Then VOR states that at any other price bundle P dash, person should not, अभी example दूंगी ये clear हो जाएगा. Person should not choose B over A when both are affordable. तो हम कह रहे हैं कि जब प्राइस चेंज हो गया, price is some different price bundle P dash, then at that price bundle P dash, suppose let's say this price bundle beta is say 1, 2. Price of good X is 1. Price of good Y is 2. And now prices have changed. Suppose price of good X is 2 and price of good Y is 1. Suppose price have changed. If both bundles are still affordable, अगर ये दोनों bundle अभी भी income level में आते हैं, you can still consume these two bundles, then consumer should not alter his preferences. If earlier he was choosing A over B, he should never choose B over A. This is what VORP is saying. Take an example. Take example 1. Suppose I tell you that there is a bundle A. Beta, this bundle A costs you, this is 2, 3. That means 2 units of X and 3 units of Y. And you have a price bundle. Beta, this price bundle is 1, 4. Then how much are you spending on A? The amount spent on A, this is 2 into 1. Units of X into price of X plus 3 into 4. Units of Y into price of Y. Okay. So beta, this will come down as 2 plus 12, which is 14. So I am saying that the amount that I am spending on A is 14. अभी इतना समझ लिया हमने, that amount spent on A is 14. Now, suppose I make a very big statement. I say A is directly revealed preferred over all the bundles affordable. A is directly revealed preferred over all the bundles affordable. मतलब जो भी bundles की cost 14 तक है, उन सबके ऊपर A को preference मिलेगी. So beta, just think about it. Suppose I have some budget line. This is my budget line. On this budget line, I have this bundle A. ये bundle जो A है ना, this is 2, 3. So this bundle is 2, 3. This is my bundle. Now I have made this big statement. A is directly revealed preferred to all bundles affordable. तो बेटा कौन से bundles affordable है? Anything on this budget line or anything below this budget line. मतलब जो भी बंडल्स यहां हैं, एनी बंडल ऑन द बजट लाइन और एनी बंडल बिलो दिस बजट लाइन, over all these bundles I am saying A is preferred. So beta, any other bundle on the budget line, it will cost exactly as much as A. Your expenditure will be same because it is on the budget line. And any bundle below the budget line, your expenditure will be lower than A. It will be lower than A. So what have we got? Suppose I give you a bundle and I ask you, can you tell me about this bundle 1, 3? So I will take the same prices. Price is given to me as 1, 4. So beta price ho gaya P1, P2, that is 1, 4. What will be expenditure on this bundle? Expenditure will be price of good X into units, price of good Y into units. So this will be 1 plus 12, which will be 13. This bundle costs you, total kitna kharcha ho raha hai is pe? 13 rupees. This was costing you how much? 14. It means this bundle is going to lie below the budget line. So it will be somewhere here, maybe yahan kahin hoga. If this is 1 and this is 4, it should be somewhere here. It is below the budget line. And I know that it is given to me that A is the most preferred bundle. Matlab maybe my IC is tangent to budget line here. This is the best bundle. So clearly A will be revealed preferred to this bundle B. If I just name this bundle B, A will be directly, in fact, directly I can see this. It will be directly revealed preferred to B. So first of all, we are trying to check what is the meaning of direct revealed preference. First thing that we saw is that if I tell you that A is the most preferred bundle, then any bundle which costs up to A will be less preferred to A. Take another example. इसी को continue करते हैं. Suppose I ask you, what about bundle C? And bundle C is 5, let's say 4. But what would be expenditure on C? My prices are given to me as 1, 4 na. So prices are 1, 4. So expenditure on C will be 5 into 1 plus 4 into 4. This will be 5 plus 16, 21. This is above your budget line, somewhere here. यहाँ पे 5 रहा होगा और ये 4 है. So somewhere here. This bundle clearly is not affordable. Now I cannot make this statement. अब मैं नहीं कह सकती हूँ कि A is preferred to this bundle C. ना. Because when A was chosen, C was not affordable. So I cannot go ahead and make a relation between them. So I can just say that no relation. I cannot compare because when A chosen, C was not affordable. So I cannot say that A is preferred over C or C over A. ये सब नहीं कर सकते. Now, let us move a bit forward and let us take a full-fledged question. So suppose I tell you that, does the following satisfy work. And I have given you two prices now and two quantities. So beta price is 1,2. And at this price, the chosen bundle is say 1,2. Price is 2,1. And at this, the chosen bundle is say 2,1. Okay. Now we have to ask if warp is satisfied or not. Okay. So we call it weak because we are just looking for direct relationships. When I will show you strong, I will show you in strong, we not only look for direct relationship, but also for indirect relationships. Okay. So that is why beta this is called weak. So once I do the example of SAR, things will make sense to you. Okay. So now what we can do is the following. Let's take two prices. Price diya hua hai 1,2 and price diya hua hai 2,1. I will write my prices here. And I will write my bundle of quantity here. So the first bundle is 1,2 and the second is 2,1. The first thing that you should be doing is making this table and finding the expenditure of each bundle at each price. So ये bundle हो गया 1,2, price हो गए 1,2. So beta expenditure will be price into quantity plus price into quantity. So this will be 5. Next, price into quantity plus price into quantity. ये हो गया 4. Price into quantity plus price into quantity 4. Price into quantity plus price into quantity 5. You have to fill this expenditure matrix. Now listen to me very carefully. Let us go ahead and name these prices as P1 bundle and P2 bundle. Ye price bundle ho gaya. And let us name these quantity bundles also as bundle A and bundle B. This is telling me that at price bundle P1, A is chosen. Matlab I chose this. I chose this. That means I'm spending 5 rupees. But at the other bundle, it is costing you 4 rupees. So when you chose A, B was affordable. When you chose A, B was affordable. B is only costing you 4 rupees at these prices. So B was affordable. So I will mark a star to show that it is affordable. Now, look at price bundle P2. When price bundle is this, you are choosing this bundle, na 2,1. So you are choosing this. So you are choosing B. But when you chose B, A at this prices was costing you only 4. So A was affordable. So you will mark a star here. A was affordable. Now think. When I chose A, B was affordable. When I chose B, A was affordable. So beta, this is called violation of warp. You are not acting rationally. You have changed your behavior at the new prices. First of all, you were choosing A. You could have chosen B also. B was affordable. You went for A. In the second part, you chose B. A was affordable, still you chose B. So you are changing your behavior. This is called a violation of war. Okay. Okay, why are we choosing A and B? Better, we are choosing A and B because that is what is given to me in the question. This is not what I made myself. So if you see, it is saying that at price 1, 2, you are choosing bundle 1, 2. So at this price, that is what it is saying. At this price, you are choosing this bundle. So इस price पे इस bundle का जो expenditure है, जो खर्चा है, वो 5 रुपए का है. और दूसरा बंडल सिर्फ 4 रुपए कॉस्ट करते हैं. मतलब ये वाला खरीद सकते थे पर ये वाला खरीदा. दिस इज व्हाट इट इज सेइंग. सिमिलरली एट दिस प्राइस इट सेज, ये क्वेश्चन गिवन है दैट यू आर चूजिंग दिस बंडल. सो बेटा इस प्राइस पे ये वाला बंडल 5 रुपए कॉस्ट करता है, दूसरे वाला 4 ही कर रहा है. ये खरीद सकते थे पर ये खरीदा. सो व्हेन यू सी दैट when you choose A, B is affordable. When you choose B, A is affordable. That is called violation of what? What if A costed 6? Okay, good question. So beta, if A was costing you 6, so now think about it. When you purchased A, B was affordable. Matlab, you showed that you are preferring A over B. But when you purchased B, A was not affordable. So beta no relation, क्योंकि affordable ही नहीं था. So this, if this happens, अगर matrix ऐसे बनता, then it is satisfaction of war. It is satisfaction of war. So कब पता चलेगा कि वॉर सेटिस्फाई हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा? इफ यू सी, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहां पर हमने 4 के आगे एक स्टार बनाया था ना. इफ यू सी दैट दिस डायगोनल, both of them have stars, that will always be violation of war. If you see that in diagonal all do not have star, then war will be satisfied. ठीक है, तो हमें देखना है कि क्या ऑफ डायगोनली हर जगह स्टार आ रहे हैं ऐसे में, तो वो वायलेशन होगी. क्योंकि जब ये खरीदा ये अफोर्डेबल था, ये खरीदा ये अफोर्डेबल था, देन इट इज द वायलेशन. अदरवाइज इट इज नॉट वायलेशन ऑफ वॉर. नो बेटा, यू शुड नॉट नो इनकम. क्यों? क्योंकि इनकम की जगह यहाँ पे हम एक्सपेंडिचर से ही काम कर रहे हैं. सो आई एम जस्ट फाइंडिंग कि इस बंडल, जो भी चोजन बंडल है, उस पे कितना एक्सपेंडिचर, वही मेरी इनकम बन गई. सो आई डोंट हैव टू कैलकुलेट इनकम पर से. आई एम जस्ट फाइंडिंग दैट इफ आई एम चूजिंग दिस बंडल, व्हाट इज द एक्सपेंडिचर ऑन दैट बंडल, दैट इज योर इनकम. We can only relate affordable commodities through revealed preference. Yes, you're correct. Okay, let us take some more questions. Then things will make much more sense.